Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling fall detection on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 can place an emergency call if you take a hard fall and don't seem to move. Before it makes the call, it will alert you that it has detected a fall, tap your wrist and sound an alarm. If you do not disable the alarm, it will call emergency services. Fall detection is aimed more at older users. If you are physically active, you may trigger fall detection as you perform high-impact exercises. Note that the watch cannot detect all falls. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down the settings and tap SOS. Tap Fall Detection. Tap the toggle to the right of Fall Detection to enable or disable the setting. When the toggle is green, Fall Detection is enabled, and when grey, it's switched off. If you are younger and physically active, then selecting the option to only detect falls when working out can help stop false fall detections. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.